Hey there, summer adventurer. Ready to make memories, soak up the sun, and maybe get a little lost, in a good way. Before you dash off into the sunset, let's talk about the 10 things you absolutely must know to make your trip smooth, safe, and seriously awesome. 1. Know your destination like a detective. Before you go, channel your inner Sherlock Holmes. What's the weather like? What's the local vibe? Are there any quirky customs or must-try foods? Imagine accidentally ordering a plate of something you can't even pronounce. Spoiler, it could be delicious or a little wild. Tip: Google is your best friend. Also, check travel forums for insider tips. 2. Plan your trip, but keep it chill. Sure, having a plan is great, but don't turn into a travel robot. Leave some wiggle room for those unexpected adventures, like a street festival or a hidden cafe you stumble upon.
Comic thought bubble. Wait, no plan? That's crazy.
Nah, that's where the magic happens.
3. Copy your important papers. Yes, really. Imagine losing your passport on day 1. Nightmare, right? Take photos, scan, and email yourself copies of your passport, visa, insurance, and any important docs. Keep a paper copy tucked somewhere safe, too.
You holding a passport, sweating nervously.
4. Give your bank and phone a heads up. Banks can freeze your card if they see foreign charges they don't recognize. And your phone? Roaming charges can sneak up like ninjas. Call your bank and phone provider before you leave.
Comic thought bubble. Wait, I'm not in my country anymore. Freeze.
No freeze, please.
5. Pack like a pro for summer. Think light, breathable clothes. Hats, sunglasses, and sunscreen are your new BFFs. Don't forget comfy shoes for all that exploring.
You sweating in a giant winter coat.
6. Stay safe and blend in. Look like a local, act like a local. Avoid flashy jewelry or carrying loads of cash. Trust your gut.
Comic thought bubble. Is that a tourist or a spy?
Definitely a tourist. Let's blend in better.
7. Get travel insurance. It's not just for the paranoid.
You wearing a cape, standing tall.
8. Ride like a local. Public transport is cheaper and authentic.
Comic thought bubble. Hop on the bus. Adventure awaits.
Next stop, awesome.
9. Beat jet lag like a champ. Start adjusting your sleep schedule early.
You yawning on the plane versus you energized exploring the city.
10. Pack a carry-on survival kit. Keep essentials with you always.
Comic thought bubble. Snack emergency averted.
Always prepared.
There you have it. Follow these 10 tips, and you'll be the coolest, smartest, and happiest traveler under the sun. Now go out there and make this summer unforgettable.